Hey there, welcome to anystack.in. In this video, I am going to talk about default value for the constructor. So let me share my screen with you all. So suppose that if we make a class, so first of all, we will come here and we will make a class. So this class is going to be for laptop dot. So let's make the class called laptop and let's make the string brand. Let's make double price and let's make bull is screen touch. Okay, so we are having three properties. So now let's make laptop this dot brand, this dot price, this dot is screen touch. Okay, so now we are having a constructor. This is fine. We will come here. First of all, we will import it. Okay, now we will make an instance of laptop L1 equal to laptop and brand. So let's make it Apple. The price is $9.99 and after that edge touch screen false. Okay, so this one is fine. So suppose that most of the laptop are not touch screen, so we want that by default the value of each touch screen should be false, and until and unless we do not say that, make it as true. So as currently all the value are required, which means that we explicitly need to tell true or false every time. So first of all, we need to make it as optional. So we will add the parenthesis. So now this value become optional. So now we need to use the name of this one while telling the value is screen touch false. Okay, so let's come here and let's try to print it L1 dot edge screen touch. So let's run this dot 05. It is saying false. So, as it is optional, suppose if I will remove it and now if I will run it, it will say null. But as I told you that most of the laptop are not screen touch, so I want that by default the value will be false, and until and unless do not specify that it's true. So we need to come here and after this one we just need to write equal to sign and false. So now it is going to be false. So I will come here and I will try to run this. So let's clear this screen. So now you are seeing that it is saying false. So if you will not give any value, it will take false by default. So now suppose that if I will come here and I will say true, and now if I will run this, it is going to say true. And suppose if we give value as the false, as the default value is false, then also we want to say that it's false, then also no problem at all. This is going to take the value which we are passing. So whenever you will be passing any value, it will take this value. If you are not passing any value, in that case it is going to take the default value which is false. So I hope that you understood the concept of this optional part and also about the default thing. This is the default thing. So this is also available in method also. The same way happens in method also. We will talk about that in the next video. In the next video mainly we will be talking about methods, yeah, in the about the methods only. So thank you.